Hello friends, welcome back to a new video of I Square. Today we are continuing with our chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, and in this class in particular we are going to solve a pair of linear equations graphically. So let's move on to the class. So in today's class we are going to discuss some situations and solve them graphically. And in the previous class we have already discussed that a pair of linear equations solutions have three different possibilities, and I have explained that graphically too. We know that a linear equation in two variables is graphically represented as a straight line, and a pair of linear equations in two variables contains always two straight lines. And the solutions have three cases or three possibilities, and that were the first case is either the two lines intersect. Let L and M be the two lines, and either the pair of lines intersect. If they intersect, the point of intersection will be the solution for that particular pair of linear equations in two variables. And the second case is the lines never intersect, which means they are parallel. In this case, we know that here the point of intersection is the solution, here the lines never intersect, so it means this particular pair of linear equations in two variables have no solution at all. And the third case is both the lines L and M coincide each other, which means L and M coincide each other means it meets at infinitely many points, which means that both the equations have infinitely many solutions. So this is the three cases, and now we are going to discuss the situation. And the question here is, Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. Here we are talking about pencils and erasers, and then that was the case about Romila. And next, her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila. Yes, Sonali saw the pencils and erasers with Romila. So she also planned to buy the same, but she bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers. Sonali bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically, graphically, and solve them. Okay, graphical solution is what we are needed with. Now let's form the algebraic expression of two equations. So the conditions given are Romila purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. So let cost of pencil be X and erasers be Y. So what is the case of Romila? She purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers. So 2x and 3y, and the total cost was ₹9. So this is the first equation in two variables. Now in the case of Sonali, she bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers. 4 pencils means 4x and 6 erasers means 6y, and the total cost was ₹18. So we got two equations, two linear equations in two variables, and this together form a pair of linear equation in two variables. Now we know to represent this situation graphically. For that we will consider each of the equation and draw the graph of each of them. Now let's consider 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 first. Here first of all we want to find y. So let's find y, which means 3y equals to 9 minus 2x, and y equals to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. Now we want the solution table, that is we want x values and y values corresponding to each x values. So let's put x is equal to 0 first here. So y is equal to 9 minus 2 into 0 by 3, that is 9 minus 0 by 3. 3 will be the y value. For corresponding to x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 3. Now let's put x is equal to 3 and y becomes 9 minus 2 into 3 divided by 3, that is 9 minus 6, 3 by 3 will be the answer, and then that is 1. So corresponding to the x value 3, we have y value 1, and any 2 points in this equation, that is any solution of this equation is, one of them is 3 and the other, one of them is 0, 3 and the other is 3, 1. So 0, 3 and 3, 1 are the solution of this line. Now let's plot it graphically. Now for the graphical solution, we are going to plot these points in the graph. That is 0, 3. This is 0 in x-axis and this is 3 in y-axis. So this is our point 0, 3. Now we will go for 3, 1. That is x is 3 and y is 1. So our point is this, that is 3, 1. Now we know that the graph corresponding to equation 1 is the straight line joining these 2 points, and let's draw that, and this is the straight line formed by joining these 2 points. Now we will go for the graphical representation of our second equation, that is 4x plus 6y equals to 18. 4x plus 6y equals to 18. First we want to find y from this, that is 6y equal to 18 minus 4x, and y is equal to 18 minus 4x divided by 6. Now we will go for the solution table, that is xy table. Let x be 0, then we have 18, y is equal to 18 minus 0 by 6, that is 18 by 6, that is 3. Okay, corresponding to the x value 0, we have 3 here, and now let's put x is equal to 3 here. Now y becomes 18 minus 4 into 3 divided by 6, that is 18 minus 12 divided by 6, that is 18 minus 12 is 6 and 6 by 6 is again 1. Now y is equal to 1. So we got 2 points in this equation, and the 2 points are 0, 3 and 3, 1. So we are going to plot 0, 3 and 3, 1 in this graph. 0, 3 is again this point, and 3, 1, and this is 3 and this is 1. So this is the point here. So the line is the same line 0, 3, 3, 1, and the 2 lines this is equation number 1's line, and again the same line is the line for equation number 2, and the 2 lines coincide. Therefore this graph or this pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Now we are going to discuss the solution for this pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So let's mark this as equation number 1 and let this be equation number 2. First of all, we want to find the solution set of both of these equations, and then we will go for the graph. First equation is x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. As we do always, first we want to find the y from this equation, that is 2y becomes 4 minus x and y becomes 4 minus x divided by 2. So here let's find the solution table for this equation, that is corresponding to each x value we want another y value. So let x is equal to 0, then we have y is equals to 4 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2, 2 will be the y value. Okay, now let's go for x is equal to 4. Now y becomes 4 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 0 by 2, 0. So these are our points in the line, that is 0, 2 and 4, 0. So 0, 2 and 4, 0 are 2 solutions of this equation, and the line joining these 2 points will form the geometrical representation of this line. Now we will go for the next line, that is 2 2x plus 4y equals to 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Now we will find y from here, that is 4y becomes 12 minus 2x and y becomes 12 minus 2x divided by 4. Now we will go for the solution set, that is corresponding to x values, we want y values. Let's put x is equal to 0. Then we have y equals to 12 minus 0 by 4, that is 3. So corresponding to 0 we have y value 3, and now we will put x is equal to some 6. Then we have y becomes 12 minus 2 into 6 is again 12 divided by 4, that is 0. So corresponding to x is equal to 6, we have y is equal to 0. So here also we got 2 points in the line, and the points are 0, 3 and 6, 0. Now let's plot these two lines in the graph, and let's do that. First we will plot 0, 2 and 4, 0. That is, this is 0 and this is 2. So 0, 2 is this point. Now we will go for 4, 0. That is 4, 0. So this is 4, 0. And the line joining these 2 points will be the geometrical representation of equation number 1. And we will join that. Yes. This is the line corresponding to equation number 1. Now we will go for 0, 3 and 6, 0. Now 0, 3 is this point, okay, and again 6, 0, 6, 0 and 6, 0 is this point. So let's draw that too, and the line corresponding to equation number 2 is this one. And let's see the peculiarity of both of these lines. These lines are parallel actually, and they will never intersect at any point, which means there is no point of intersection, which means this pair of linear equation have no solution because the lines are parallel. So that's it. So in the previous question we have found that the lines were coinciding in that case, and this case the lines are parallel. And we will go for one more question. Now in this question we have a pair of linear equations in 2 variables, and we are going to solve them graphically. For that, first we want to consider equation number 1 and find 2 points such that it satisfies x minus 2y equals to 0. Now we will go for finding y, that is 2y equals to x, and y becomes x by 2. Now we will go for the solution table. Let x is equal to 0, then y also it is 0, because y is equal to 0 by 2, that is 0. Now again put x is equal to 4, then we have y is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So 2 points we got that, and they are 0, 0 and 4, 2. Now we will go for equation number 2 and solve them like the similar way. This is equation number 2, and we are going to find y from this, that is 4y is 20 minus 3x and y is 20 minus 3x divided by 4. Now we will go for the solution table, that is xy table. Corresponding to the x value 0, we want to find the y value, that is y equals to 20 minus 3 into 0, 0 by 4, that is 5. And now we have x is equal to 4. Let's put x is equal to 4. Then y becomes 20 minus 3 into 4 is 12 by 4, that is 20 minus 12 is 8, and 8 by 4 is 2. So the y value is 2 here. So here also we got 2 points, and they are 0, 5 and 4, 2, which satisfies this equation. So now we are going to plot these points in the graph and solve this pair of linear equations graphically. Now 0, 0, we know it is obviously the origin, and now 4, 2, that is 4, 2, and the point is this. This is the point 4, 2. Okay, now we are going to join these two lines. Let's check, is this 4, 2? Yeah, it's 4, 2. And now we are going to join this line, these 2 points. Yes, this is the solution of equation number 1. Now we will go for the solution of equation number 2, that is 0, 5, 0, 5. This is the point, and 4, 2, and 4, 2 is again this point. Now we are going to join these 2 points. Yes, this is the solution set of equation number 2. Now we got the graphical representation for both of these lines, and this is the solution for equation number 1, and this is the solution for equation number 2, and the solution of pair of linear equations in these two in two variables, that is these two equation, is the point of intersection of these two lines, and that is 4, 2. There is only one point of intersection, so there is only one and only one solution, that is 4, 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 is the solution for this pair of linear equation. Let's verify that. Let's put x value 4 and y value 2 in this equation. Then the equation LHS becomes, okay, x, that is 4 minus 2 into y, that is 2 into 2, which means 4 minus 4, 0, which is our RHS. Now let's verify for this equation. The LHS becomes 3 into x, that is 3 into 4, plus 4 into y, that is 4 into 2, equals 3 into 4, 12, plus 4 into 2, 8 is 20, which is the RHS of our equation number 2. So we can conclude that our solution we have found graphically is correct, because x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 satisfies both the equations 1 and 2. And that's it. And the next question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of a pen. We have solved a similar question in today's class. Just go through that question. In the similar way, you solve this question and comment your answers in the comment section. I hope you understood whatever we have discussed in today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.